just cleaned her, guys. She's looking pretty clean. Alright guys, so today we're going to be fixing the issue of the bumper. If you guys can see, it's not aligned properly. So yeah, we're going to try to fix that. Are y'all liking the new grill? If y'all haven't seen the last video, make sure to check that out. Excuse the mess, guys. She is a little dirty. Haven't cleaned her. It's been a fat minute, as you can see. But we're not here for that today. We're gonna remove this bumper. So let's just remove these clips. I am missing some. Go ahead and do that. We already took off the radiator cover off. Next thing we need to do is take off some of the bolts down here. Alright guys, so we already have the bumper off. We just had to unscrew some of these bolts, disconnect the lights, because I do have the California special lights mixed up with the grill. Disconnect these over here, and we're all good. So what we're doing today is we're going to be replacing these brackets right here. It looks all cracked and these aren't working. So these are the parts. So this is the OEM. It says Ford. I don't know if you can see Ford. It is all cracked already, broken. I don't even know what I'm picking. Bro, it's literally all cracked already. Okay. Or it even comes with brand new clips to hold these fenders. Pretty cool. Out with the old, in with the new. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything down. The gap looks much better, much more closed. This one too. We're all cracking already. Didn't go all the way down. So I've been wanting to install this plate cover. It's tinted. I think it's really gonna pair up with the theme of my car, the whole black and red theme. What do you guys think? But first, let me clean this plate because it did rain overnight, so it did get a little dirty. That's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I do need to get some black bolts so it can match the plates around. If you guys enjoy, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check out the rest of my videos. See you guys next time.